Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to uncover a hidden folder inside Windows for enhanced productivity. So we're going to be showing you two ways you can do this, and usually you'd want to do this if you'd like to make some modifications to your folders. The first option is in your local disk. Now here you can go over to the top area here where you have View, click on the drop down, and under Show, it's a drop down also, you can see Hidden Items. When you click on it, you're going to see more files displayed. However, when you look at the folder, you can see that it's grayed out a little bit. For example, you have the $ Windows WS, you have HP, you have recovery and program data. You also have the shortcut system.save. Now, these are hidden files, and depending on what you want to do and the instructions you might be following, you will be able to access these folders in order to make some adjustments to their structure. Now do take note that if you do it wrongly, you might cause a malfunction on your apps. So you need to know what you're doing. Another way to do it is to go over here where you have the three dots, go to Options, and then you're going to click on the View tab. And then here you have Don't Show Hidden Files. Here you're going to click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, click on Apply. And here you can see the files appear again. Click on OK, and that will save it. Now, if you're looking to uncover hidden folders inside of Windows, in order to delete unwanted files, all you need to do is to click on your Windows button here and search for Run. Click on it. And then you're going to type in %temp %. Click on OK. And here it's going to show you temporary files that you can delete in order to get rid of unwanted files on your Windows. When you click on delete, this will take away these files. For example, you have files for Chrome, and if you're done with your browser and you don't want to have so much information, you can delete these. This will not delete your saved passwords or saved login information. They will delete temporary files that Chrome has stored to help speed up your process. But after using Chrome, you can go ahead and delete it. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.